kids. Today I'll be showing you the ways to view your assignments on UROX and the various ways of submission.
First, click on the Assignments tab. Here you can see a list of the assignments you are required to do. On the top right corner, you can view your assignments either by date or by type. Let's click the first assignment. Here you can read the brief given by your lecturers along with the requirement needed. We can also see when is the deadline and how much is the mark for this assignment. If you scroll down, you can also see the rubrics for each assignment, which can be a guidance when doing your assignments. Please make sure you are very aware with the due date for the assignment, as some lecturers may deduct marks for late submissions. For this assignment, I can also submit a text entry box, a website URL, a media recording, or a file upload. To submit your assignment, kindly click the Submit Assignment button. You will have a few options. So the first one, the file upload. File upload means you may upload a saved file in any format such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. So click on the Choose File button. So you can choose the document which have your answer. Then click Open. It will be attached as part of your answer here. A text box entry means that you can straight away key in your answers. A website URL is actually good when you save assignment online. Example, you save a video on YouTube, or is it from a Google Drive. So from Google Drive, you click Share button. You copy the link and you paste the URL here. Then you can even submit assignment, or you have maybe some comments, or maybe you want to put a reminder, or maybe they say some info for your lecturers to know. Another one is media. This one is record or upload media, means if you want to upload directly, let's say an MP3 recording or an MP4 recording of your assignment submission. Now, after uploading all of your materials, you can click the Submit Assignment. Please make sure that you have submit the correct assignment for the correct course. On your right hand side, you will see submission submitted and the details when you submit your assignments.
If you have any concern, questions, or issues regarding UROX, feel free to contact the UROX department through ATS. We are more than happy to assist you. Thank you.